Imagine this. You wake up, check your phone, and someone just paid you $25 for work you didn't even do yourself. Sounds too good to be true? It's not. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how thousands of people are making money online using AI tools, no skills required, and zero investment. Most people think making money online is complicated. They think you need years of experience, a big investment, or some special talent. But here's the truth nobody tells. Thousands of people are already earning online using one simple trick. They don't do the work themselves. They let AI do it for them. And today, I'm showing you exactly how. This method is called AI Freelancing. Here's the simple idea behind it. You list a service on a platform where people are already looking to buy. A client places an order. You use AI to complete the work in minutes. Then you deliver it and get paid. That's it. No experience, no degree, no capital. Let me walk you through it step by step. The platform we're going to use is called Fiverr. It's a website where millions of people come every day to buy services like writing, scripts, captions, and content creation. And here's the part that blew my mind. Most of the top sellers on Fiverr are not experts. They're just using AI tools, like ChatGPT to complete orders, and making hundreds of dollars doing it. Let me show you exactly how to do this. First, go to Fiverr.com and create a free account. No credit card, no investment, nothing. Second, create a simple gig. List a service like, I will write high-quality blog posts, or I will create engaging YouTube video scripts. Use a clean thumbnail and a clear title. Third, once your gig is live, wait for your first order. It might take a few days. That's completely normal. Fourth, when an order comes in, open ChatGPT and type something like, write a 500-word blog post on how to lose weight fast. And in literally seconds, your work is done. Fifth, review the content, send it to your client, and receive your payment. Simple as that. Now, I want to be completely honest with you. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. Your first order will take time. You might feel like giving up before it arrives. But here's what I've seen happen over and over. Once that first order comes in, it gets easier. Then the second, then the third. The hardest part is starting. The rest is momentum. Here's what separates people who actually make money from those who don't. Don't just copy what everyone else is doing. Make your gig stand out. Use an eye-catching and professional thumbnail. Write a clear and specific gig title. Offer fast delivery because clients love it. And always review the AI output before sending it. Quality builds reviews, and reviews bring more orders. Just one 5-star review can change everything. So, now you know the secret. Making money online isn't about working harder. It's about working smarter. And AI is your biggest shortcut. If you want more videos like this, hit that subscribe button right now. Because in the next video, I'm sharing an even more powerful method. Your journey to online income starts today.